Oh my gosh, who do we have here today?
I'm Madison.
And
Grace.
And
Kirsty.
What are we doing, guys?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers today. I'm taking you and you today. Are you guys scared, nervous, excited, ready for this?
Yeah.
Whose idea was this?
Hers.
So it's your fault.
Years in the making.
Your fault if this goes wrong?
I am.
If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words, final comments, or confessions?
This is a good way to go out.
Definitely. For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock out of Skydive and have some fun. High fives all the way around. Woo! Yeah.
All right.
Here we go, ladies. Let's have some fun. Oh, yeah. High five. Yeah. Woo! What do you think?
Oh, that was crazy.
Pretty cool, right?
I can't hear right now.
Pull the right one down. We'll clear your ears in a second. You gotta plug your nose and blow. Woo! Pull the left one. A little hard. Look at that camera. Oh yeah.
It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh.
All right, we made it back. What do you think?
Oh, that was so awesome.
Woo, you did great. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Next time you can open the parachute, okay?
Okay.
Good job.
All right.
Just gotta color out springs. Woo, thanks for coming out.